What is U-Space? U-Space is a vision. U-Space is a vision for a safe and secure environment which allows us to fly many, many drones, and these drones will have economic and societal benefits for Europe. What is PODIUM? PODIUM is a large-scale demonstration. It is giving us confidence that U-Space and the management of drones can work.
At Unifly, we are part of a number of U-Space demonstrator projects, starting with PODIUM, which really laid the groundwork to show how drone traffic can become a reality. Within the other large-scale demonstrators, such as SAFIR and VUTURA, we are demonstrating a number of drone operations in very varying environments, such as urban environments, but also more agricultural ones.
CORUS project is a project which is writing a concept of operations for U-Space, the European UTM system, and we have 9 member organizations and a very large stakeholder community behind us.
Since Frequentis has a strong customer base also in maritime, in public safety and public transport, and all of these entities are now going to use drones more and more. And we are very close to the ANSP customers. We are providing the data harmonization layer with ATM grade standards to have this safe conduct of UAV flights.